Hey guys, it is spring session B. This is level 2. This is the second class, and we are doing paint your framing. We're talking about frame this session. That's Robert.
This is Beatrice.
Yeah, we're your teachers, in case you didn't know.
Today we talked about not really some hijacking, but also like using your frame to do sort of an unexpected move and be able to lead it clearly for the leads and for the follows as well.
Yeah, so if you want to check out our first video about basic frame ideas, please do. We're just going to skip all of that right now and go right to the meat of what we did this class, but we hope you're following along. So today we were doing a move that's kind of using solo jazz moves and using them as a partner move. And the solo jazz moves that we did were low downs, which is a slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Or, I'm going to fake this, yeah. A slow, a quick, quick, slow. So those are called low downs. And then the other one we did was cross step, so I'll face this way, Robert will face that way.
Ready, and a rock.
Step, cross, a rock, step, cross, rock, step, cross.
Yep.
You notice those are side rock steps. So those are the moves we're working with, but we're going to put them in a bigger partner move.
Yeah.
So I'll let Robert take over.
So last week, a lot of our variations were based on top of the promenade, lead promenade and follow promenade. So this time instead we did follow turns. So you have your normal follow under and turn, right? But we started first with a lead variation, which is a way to get me in front. So now I'm kind of choreographing both of us. And that starts with a hand switch during the turn. So rock, step, a triple step, and I actually, instead of facing my partner like usual, I keep facing the direction I started and just move this hand to my back. So from this view, a rock, step, a triple step.
And just so you can see where the hand is placed, it's right on the small of the back.
Yeah. I don't want to be too close or have my hand in front of me, obviously. So this is sort of giving us the most room, and it's also the safest. So if I do something unexpected, this whole arm is used as like a cushion so I don't injure my partner.
Yeah, we've got some space and some squishiness.
Yeah. So to kind of switch from that into leading these solo jazz moves, we have a collection, which always happens at the very end of whatever move you're doing. So instead of rock, step, triple step, it'll be rock, step, triple step, step, collect. And it looks like this. Rock, step, triple step, step, boom. Okay? So instead of going for how much I drop, it's just about clarity. So no matter what I do, how big or how small, all that matters is that Beatrice notices it. And anything beyond that is extra. It is too much.
Yeah, a note on that, as a follow, I don't necessarily know what's going to happen. So if I'm not doing the collect with Robert, that's totally fine, but I am going to notice the collect because that means something new is about to happen footwork-wise, and I should pay attention if I want to be emulating that move. So sometimes I'll catch it fast enough because I can just tell he's going down, and I go down with him, and then I'm prepared with him. But if I don't catch it, not the end of the world, it won't significantly change the next move. I just need to pay attention to that drop.
Yeah. So once I have that drop to do, I'm free to do either of those moves. So I can do the low down, and basically if I want to switch out of that, I collect again, and it always uses the last move. So instead of slow, a slow, a quick, slow, then I would do a slow, quick, in. And that is a good signal that something different is going to take place.
Right.
So from there, then we talked about how to sort of get out of it. For leads, we'll just do all the lead stuff all at once.
Yeah.
So once we're here and I come down, I can do just a real lazy rock step, a triple step to face my partner. If I want more freedom, I can just create a gap, not a big one, so that Beatrice rock steps. And now I can do like a turn. I can use that as a spring to create tension to build into something else.
And the reason that's happening is I'm remembering to keep my elbow kind of close to my waist. So when he does that release with his arm, I'm automatically rotating. So that automatically is a rock step for me. So that's my signal.
Yeah.
But it's because I'm trying to keep my elbow close to my waist. I'm not ever trying to be super stretched out because that creates a lot of injury possibilities. So we don't want that.
Yeah.
So on the flip side, follows can also be the one in front. It's called a hijack. So I'm still a follow, he's still a lead, but I'm choosing in this moment to do a move, to change the move, right? So we started the dance, he's leading an underarm turn, he doesn't know what's about to happen, it's a surprise, I'm choosing this moment. So rock, step, triple, extra turn.
Yeah.
So just now I did it with a triple step. After that first underarm turn, this is where I'd end. I usually just do a triple step facing Robert, but instead I keep rotating the direction I came from, or the direction I was already going, to have him behind me. And also I'm going to do that collect footwork. So rock, step, triple step, step, collect.
And same thing as Beatrice said, I might miss it, but I'll notice something new.
Yeah. From the step collect, again, I can also do low down, ba-da, 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 or those cross steps. Da, 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 da. Yeah. So, and again, if I want to do both of those, I collect in between to indicate to Robert that a new thing is happening. The way that I get out of this, I just turn towards my partner. That is absolutely it. Super easy, simple. I can just be like, yep, I'm over it.
And then I usually do a rock step into a new move, or you can just do a freeze and I wait.
That gives Robert some time to think about the next move, or you can kind of cue it and be like, okay, we're together? All right, let's do a thing.
But as soon as my partner faces me, now I have the lead again, and I can do whatever I like.
Yeah, so think of this kind of having like a lead hat. I take the lead hat for a moment, I do my moves, and then when I turn around, I give the lead hat back to Robert, and Robert keeps leading.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
On that note, there is no class next week because this building will be closed, so we will pick up in 2 weeks on after the 29th. 29th is the week we don't have class.
Yes.
And it's late.
The first week of June, I believe.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Yes. I don't know.
In any case,
The week after next is when you're going to come back.
don't come here in 7 days.
All right, see ya.